Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will continue the chapter that name is Jhalkari. In my previous video we had discussed the first few paragraphs. Now we will start from the page number 15 last paragraph. In return of large sum of money, Dulaji led them to a spot where there was a break in a wall, and the soldiers made their way into the fort through it. At the dead of night, as they began to climb, Jhalkari saw them and sounded the alarm. With loud cry, the Rani army took up the fight and opened fire, and the attackers fell back. So this paragraph it describes that after taking bribe from the Britisher, Dulaji showed them to a spot where British soldiers, were easily break in the wall, and the soldiers made their way into the fort through it. At night, when they began to climb, Jhalkari, who was fearless girl, saw them and rung the alarm. With loud cry, the Rani army took up the fight. There were a fight between British soldier and Rani Lakshmi Bai soldier. The attackers fell back. The fighting continued during the day and night that followed. The fighting was continuously happened during the day and night. Though the Indian troops were daring, they could not withstand the British attack. The enemy fought their way steadily until they were outside the palace. Fighting continuously during the day and night, Indian soldiers were daring, that means fearless and bold. They could not go through or confront the British attacks. Britishers could not confront Indian soldiers could not withstand the British attack. The enemy fought their way steadily until they were outside the palace. Next paragraph. 3 more terrible days of fighting followed. Now the queen advisor begged her to get out of the fort to a safe place. Though reluctant at first, Lakshmi Bai agreed in the end. Dressed in an armor, carrying a dagger and 2 revolvers, she rode unrecognized through the enemy line, down the hillside and out of one of the gates. Though so more 3 days the fighting was continuously occurred. Now then the queen advisor, the advisors who advise the person who gives advice, requested Rani Lakshmi Bai to get out and move to the safe place. But Rani Lakshmi Bai was not interested. But at last she agreed, and she dressed up in an armor. Armor means protective protective shield that used to cover through the body, and carrying a dagger. Dagger means a short knife with a pointed blade used for piercing or stabbing someone. So, and 2 revolver. Revolver, a short type of gun that consists 9 bullets. Revolver, and she went through the enemy line and down the hillside and out of one of the gates. Jhalkari went with her for part of the way. As soon as she knew the Rani was safe, Jhalkari disguised herself in Lakshmi Bai clothes and riding her white horse returned to the fortress. When Jhalkari, the girl who was Rani Lakshmi Bai associate, when she came to know that Jhalkari Rani Lakshmi Bai was safe, so she disguised herself in Rani Lakshmi Bai clothes. Disguise means concealing, hiding true character, true identity. Herself in Rani Lakshmi Bai clothes and riding her white horse returned to the fortress. She disguised herself and riding her with her white horse and returned to the fortress. Fortress means a fortified defensive structure where the British soldiers saw her and mistaking her for the Rani as she had intended them to do, surrounded her. They led her to their commander. The commander looked at the captive closely, but he was not sure at all that she was the queen. When she returned to the fortress, the British soldiers saw her and captured her. Then the British soldier led her to their commander. The commander looked at the captive. Captive means the person who got arrested closely, but he was not sure whether she was the queen or not. So he ordered the soldier, call Dulaji at once. Dulaji will know. When Jhalkari saw Dulaji, her eyes blazed with anger, and she shouted, "You traitor, you coward, you shameless betrayer of your people." Because when Jhalkari saw Dulaji, her eyes completely got burned fiercely with anger, and she shouted that you traitor, traitor is the person who betrays the country, you coward, you shameless betrayer of your people. Because Dulaji was traitor and he had received some large amount of money from Britisher for helping Britisher. That's why he was a traitor who was betraying his own country. The Englishman asked Dulaji, "Is this Rani Lakshmi Bai?" Then she said, "No, she is not," answered Dulaji. "Do you think it is so easy to capture the Rani?" The commander was furious that they had been tricked. He knew that if Jalkari was allowed to go free, she would be dangerous, so she was sentenced to death by hanging. Now commander got angry, and because he knew that they had been tricked, so he also knew that if he allowed Jalkari to go, she would be dangerous. So she sentenced her to death by hanging. Then Jalkari answered proudly, "I am not afraid of dying." Then the Britisher led her to her death. She shouted out to the British, "Beware, you will never conquer us. We will ride again and again and fight back until we win our freedom." Beware, that means be careful. You will never conquer us. You will never bring under control by your force. We will ride again and again and fight back until we will win our freedom. Silence, they shouted. Who shouted? Britishers shouted and said silence. But she would not be silent. She cried out, "Long live Lakshmi Bai, long live freedom." So here the story ends. So this is a chapter named Jhalkari. It is a story about a girl named Jhalkari who was the Rani trusted companion. She was an orphan, but she was also bold and fearless little girl who loved to climb trees, swim in the river, and all the games that people called boys' game. And also Rani Lakshmi Bai likes the Jalkari because she had frank and fearless attitude. That's why they both became friends and went out riding together every day. So now next class we will do question answer. I hope all of you have understood. Thank you.